sting like a bee. You're just a freak. Like me.
Amanda?
I honestly was blown away by that. I thought it's one of the best dance acts we've ever had. And it was like your body was made out of liquid or something. It was brilliant.
That is, it's very clever. It's very clever. I have seen stuff like it before, and they tend to cover a bit more ground than you did. So you were pretty...
Are you joking?
No.
Oh my God, that's one of the best things we've ever had on the show.
I said I liked it. Can you let me finish?
Okay.
I thought that you could have covered more ground. And actually just standing there doing all your stuff, fine. But actually, if you want to win the show, you've got to move around, do a bit more.
No, it's not about the amount of ground you cover. It's about what you do. And you made it count. It was brilliant.
I'm going to agree with Amanda. You know, like every so often somebody comes along who is just brilliant, and I think we're going to remember the first time we saw you. I do. I think you are really, really super talented.
Yes.
I think you're that good. But we're going to vote. Here's yes or no.
Yeah, as I said, I loved it too. I did. And,
It's a resounding yes from me. It's brilliant.
you've got an incredibly great energy about you. People are going to like you. The girls are going to love you. Easiest yes I've given today.